Namaste, India. Please watch me on Global Trader TV. I'm not going to talk about Facebook. I did have, it was a good stock for a while. Yeah, my holy grail is you need a trending market. The women in the gym doing the yoga and the sweaty, the hot yoga, yeah. Anybody who says they know it all, run away from them real fast. In 1 week, you're going to be, buying an island, that's not reality in the stock market. No.
No. Even, in Indians, there are somebody who claims, like next year I will buy an
Yeah.
airline or maybe some car.
Yeah.
There are
Yeah.
somebody.
Well, I personally like calmer stocks. I don't like the wild ones that go up and down every day. That's slow and steady wins the race. Yeah,
Not
yeah.
steady wins the race. Okay,
I
that's
do.
great.
Yeah. Being flexible,
Be
like
flexible.
being able to. Yeah, you blow like a palm tree, right?
Yeah, that's true.
My dog wants to say hi.